Hi, my name is Mike Nagel. I'm the sewer department manager at Rightway. They take care of the day-to-day operations with the septic and sewer division between staff, office, field. A septic system is an on-site underground sewer treatment where sewer lines are not available. Some things you should avoid putting on your septic system are harsh chemicals such as paints, paint thinners. A good rule of thumb is if it passes through your body, it's safe to put down the tank. And of course, toilet paper.
Septic systems are pretty common in Arizona. About 1 in 3 of the new homes that are built are on septic systems, because as we continue to grow out, the sewer systems are not in the rural areas. So septic systems are very common here in the state of Arizona. My day-to-day job is managing my employees, managing the jobs, managing the install and our repairs, permitting, inspections, basically making sure everything goes smoothly. A situation that calls for a septic system is if it's not serviced by a sewer. And a sewer system is usually managed by the county or the city. Here in Pima County, it's managed by Pima County. And as we grow out, Pima County is not delivering sewer to the rural areas. So usually a system goes on a home if the property is over an acre. So if the property is over an acre, they're usually on a septic system, is the general rule. It's really important to take care of your septic system, and one of the ways is by maintenance. And so you want to pump your tank when it's 25 to 33% full of solids. So a lot of people will ask, well, how do I know when it's 25 to 33%? And you can do a measurement in the tank, or the general rule is pump your tank every 3 to 5 years.
Some challenges we have with replacing and repairing septic systems are spacing on lots, soil conditions. Also, a lot of homeowners don't know they have a septic filter located in the tank that they should clean at least once a year. Septic systems are designed to last approximately 40 years.
Rightway handles everything when it comes to a septic system, from the beginning to installing, to servicing, cleaning filters, transfer inspections, repairs, risers, anything involved in an on-site wastewater treatment facility, also known as a septic system. Rightway handles it all. If you're having issues with your septic system or other home-related issues, call Rightway.
And we are here to provide you expert solutions for you and your home.